Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to the Sylvia's Healthy Tips channel. Today we'll be talking about two different types of sweeteners that have no calories at all, and two other natural sweeteners that do have calories but are very highly nutritious. So stay tuned. The first one is stevia. It has no calories at all. It is derived from the stevia leaf, which is an herbal bush, also called Bertoni plant. It is found in Paraguay and in Brazil. Stevia sweeteners have been used for hundreds of years for food and medical purposes. So stevia sweeteners are made by extracting from the leaf steviol glycoside. An interesting fact about steviol glycosides is that it is not absorbed by the upper gastrointestinal tract. Therefore, it does not have any caloric value, and it does not impact the glucose levels either. So it is great for diabetics and perfect for people trying to avoid chemicals. There is a powdered stevia that can be found to use for baking. It can be used to replace sugars in all recipes. I've tried it and it is very good. There have been many studies about stevia, and one indicates that it can help with glucose tolerance. Another study found that stevia can induce the pancreas to produce insulin, potentially serving as a type 2 diabetes treatment. I have all the links of the studies down below. Artificial sweeteners were banned in Japan for over 40 years ago, and the Japanese have used stevia as their sweeteners. They feel confident that stevia is safe because over 40,000 studies have been made about the safety and efficiency of stevia. The next is monk fruit. It also is a wonderful sweetener and has no calories at all. It is a small round fruit found in Southeast Asia. And the way the sweetener is produced is by taking the fruit, removing the skin and the seed, and crushing the fruit to produce the juice. Monk fruit is also very sweet. It's about 100 to 250 times sweeter than sugar. So just a tiny bit does a lot. And just some interesting facts. A monk fruit is said to be named after the Buddhist monks that grew it about 8 centuries ago in Southeast Asia. The scientific name of the monk fruit is Ceratiae grosvenori. The next is agave. 1 tablespoon is about 63 calories, but there's a lot of nutritional value. The agave syrup comes from the succulent plant that is found in Mexico region. The agave syrup is a little thinner than honey, so it dissolves very easily in cold beverages, and it mixes much easier than honey. It has a very high concentration of fructose, which is the same type of sugar found in fruit. Agave is a lot sweeter than sugar, but it has less of an impact in your blood sugar level. And take a look at the huge list of nutrients found in agave. Nutrients of recommended daily value include 32% calcium, 24% fiber, 15% copper, 14% magnesium, 10% iron, 4% of vitamin B, vitamin C, and manganese, 3% of riboflavin and potassium, 2% of folate and thiamine. It also includes several amino acids, including pantothenic acid, vitamins including vitamin E and vitamin A, and minerals, zinc, sodium, selenium, and so much more. Agave is wonderful. The next natural sweetener that does have calories but lots of nutrients is honey. It is one of my favorites. I drink it with my coffee every morning. The main ingredient of honey is also fructose and water. It is loaded with minerals and vitamins, including vitamin B for energy and mood, amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins, antioxidants that help to fight free radicals and help fight disease, antimicrobial properties, and many micronutrients too. It is very nutritious. In fact, John the Baptist from the Bible survived a long time in a diet of wild honey and locusts because of the dense nutritional value that honey has. Honey can vary in nutritional value and microbial property values as well, depending on the geographic location of the bees. Because the bees gather pollen and nectar and essential oils from different plants, each geographic location will give you different nutrients. It is found that the darker honey have higher antimicrobial properties. They found that this is because of the phenolic compounds. Take a look online at phenolic compounds. It's incredible the amount of health benefits it has. The dark-colored honey that is found in the mountain areas of Central Europe have a higher antibacterial property than the lighter version that is found at the same geographic location. Other dark honey that have been found to have high antibacterial properties is sweet chestnut honey, manuka honey, and heather honey. Clostridium botulinum, also known as botulism, is of a concern. Because natural honey is normally non-sterilized packaged food, it is not recommended to feed it to children under the age of 2 because it's difficult for them to fight the botulism. To alleviate this concern, some honey is sterilized with gamma irradiation. This helps to get rid of all bacteria but leaves all the nutritional value present in the raw honey. You can find this to purchase as medical grade honey. Honey is being used more and more as a treatment for burns, for bed ulcers, and for open wounds because of the antimicrobial activity and because honey is able to keep the area moist, accelerating healing. Also, because of the high viscosity, it serves as a barrier to protect the wound and open sores from bacteria entering the area. Commonly used for this purpose is manuka honey and medi honey. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. I really appreciate you. If you like this information, please share it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And always remember to be kind, laugh more, and worry less. I will see you on the next video.